In today's class, we will be discussing nature, environment. The environment can be defined as a total of all the living and non-living elements and their effects that influence human life. The environment can be defined as the total surrounding of any organism in a given area. Things that can be found in the environment. Living things and non-living things. Living thing. Human being. Animal. Dog. Cat. Goat. Hen. Cow, etc. Plant. Trees. Flowers. Moss. Grasses. Algae. Non-living thing. Water. Air. Land. Vehicles. Our environment provides a wide range of benefits, such as the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the water we drink, as well as the many materials needed in our homes, at work, and for leisure activities. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.